Most contractors compare contractor foreman and job tread by looking at screenshots and feature lists. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real differences only show up once you start running actual projects through the software every day. And if you choose the wrong platform for your workflow, your team can end up frustrated, slower, and less organized than before. In this video, I'll break down the 3 biggest differences between contractor foreman and job tread, explain which type of contractor each platform fits best, and help you avoid the mistake many builders make when switching construction software. And later, I'll show you the hidden factor that matters more than pricing for most contractors. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the obvious question. Which one is better? Honestly, neither platform automatically wins for everyone. That's the key thing most software reviews never explain clearly. Contractor foreman and job tread target different operational priorities. Understanding that changes everything. Now let's start with the first major difference. Workflow philosophy. This matters enormously. Contractor foreman focuses heavily on broad feature coverage and operational management tools. Job tread often focuses more on cleaner workflows, estimating simplicity, and smoother user experience for many residential contractors. That distinction affects daily operations immediately. Now imagine Jake runs a growing remodeling company. He wants fast estimates, clean workflows, and simpler project coordination. Job tread may feel easier and more modern for that type of workflow. Now compare that to Alex managing multiple administrative tasks, safety tracking, daily logs, documents, and operational oversight. Contractor foreman may feel stronger because of its wider feature depth. That's the first big difference. Breadth versus workflow, simplicity. Now here's where things get interesting. Many contractors buy software based purely on demos instead of operational friction. That's usually a mistake, because software value comes from reducing stress and saving time consistently, not from flashy presentations. Now let's move to the second major difference. Ease of use and onboarding. This matters massively for small and mid-sized contractors. Job tread is often praised for cleaner interface design and easier onboarding experiences. Many contractors transitioning from spreadsheets find it less intimidating initially. But here's the problem. Some contractors eventually want deeper operational controls and broader administrative tools. That's where contractor foreman becomes much more appealing. Now imagine John signs up for extremely feature-heavy software without proper training. The office staff feels overwhelmed. Field crews avoid using the app. Adoption collapses. This happens constantly across construction businesses. That's why onboarding experience matters more than people realize. Now here's where things get interesting again. The best software is not necessarily the one with more features. It's the one your team actually uses every day without resistance. That's the hidden secret. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest factor contractors ignore when comparing software pricing. But first, let's continue. Let's discuss the third major difference. Pricing philosophy and value perception. Contractor foreman built a strong reputation, partly through aggressive feature-to-price value. Many contractors see the platform as offering substantial functionality for relatively affordable pricing. Job tread often positions itself more around workflow efficiency and user experience. That creates a very different value conversation. Now, here's the problem. Many contractors compare software only through subscription cost. That's the wrong approach. The smarter question is, how much time, confusion, and operational stress does this software remove? That's what truly determines value. Now imagine Jake saves 6 hours weekly because estimating and project coordination becomes smoother in job tread. The subscription suddenly feels inexpensive. Now imagine Alex needs advanced operational tracking tools contractor foreman already includes. Again, the value equation shifts completely. Now here's where things get interesting. Construction software is increasingly about reducing mental overload. That's the real business benefit. Clear systems reduce miscommunication, duplicate work, missed tasks, and scheduling confusion. Those operational improvements create huge long-term value. Now let's discuss scalability because this matters a lot. Some contractors choose software based on future growth plans. That can be smart, if done realistically. Contractor foreman may appeal more to contractors wanting wider operational management systems as businesses expand. Job trade may appeal more strongly to contractors prioritizing streamlined workflows and residential project simplicity. Neither approach is automatically better. Again, workflow determines fit. Now here's another hidden issue. Field adoption. Construction software fails quickly when field teams refuse using it consistently. That's why mobile usability and simplicity matter so much in 2026. Complicated workflows kill adoption fast. Now in a minute, I'll show you the single smartest way to choose between these platforms without wasting months on the wrong system. But first, let's discuss implementation. Even great software becomes useless without operational discipline. Some contractors switch platforms expecting instant transformation. But systems still require training, process consistency, and leadership commitment. Software improves operations. It does not magically create organization by itself. That distinction matters enormously. Now here's where things get interesting again. Many successful contractors eventually realize construction software is less about technology and more about operational visibility. Knowing what's happening, who's responsible, and where problems exist. That clarity reduces chaos dramatically. Now let's answer the practical question directly. Who should usually lean toward contractor foreman? Typically, contractors wanting broad operational feature depth, stronger administrative controls, and wide functionality at competitive pricing. Who should usually lean toward JobTread? Usually, residential builders and remodelers wanting smoother workflows, easier onboarding, and cleaner project management experiences. That's the simplest breakdown. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. The three biggest differences between contractor foreman and JobTread are workflow philosophy, ease of onboarding, and value approach. Contractor foreman emphasizes broad operational functionality. JobTread emphasizes cleaner workflow simplicity and usability. Neither platform automatically wins for every contractor. Now here's the biggest takeaway. The smartest contractors stop chasing software with the longest feature list and start focusing on operational fit, team adoption, and workflow efficiency. That mindset changes everything. So here's the bottom line. If you want broader operational controls and deep feature coverage, contractor foreman may fit better. If you prioritize smoother workflows, estimating simplicity, and easier adoption, JobTread may deliver stronger real-world value. The best software is the one your team consistently uses without friction. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which construction platform you're currently considering. And if you want, I can also compare contractor foreman, JobTread, Buildertrend, and CoConstruct next.